I mean, who would want to do that? Do you want the whole world to hear your conversation over a little Bluetooth speaker? I'm doing a different product to what I usually do on my channel, which is toys. And I'm doing a Everlotus Bluetooth speaker. So the main reason why I'm doing this is because I tried looking this up on YouTube, just to see someone actually holding the product and to get a feel for it. I could not find anything, so I decided, oh well, I'll buy it, but then obviously I'm gonna give my thoughts on it, and that's what I want to try and do, is to incorporate like products that I do think is worth it into my toy channel, but we'll see how that goes. So like I said, it's a Everlotus product, multimedia speaker, Bluetooth, FM radio, clock, alarm function. That's actually what attracted me to buying this, is you can actually set an alarm on this thing. Only bad part is every time when you switch it on and off, you're gonna have to reset the time. A little bit annoying, but I mean, you're paying, a fraction of the price, compared to what you'll usually pay for your like decent big size speakers. But I mean, that's not something I'm into. I want your small cheap things, but quality. So far, I did actually try it out. So it comes with, this is the cable, charging cable. It goes really loud. The sound is absolutely awesome. It's clear, it doesn't distort. So I'm really impressed by, for such a small speaker, the sound is really, really loud and clear, and price wise, getting it on special for $199, retail being anything from 300 to 500 Rand, I was very lucky. Do I think it's worth paying for retail? That's a decision you'll have to make. Hopefully my clip will help you to do that. But I love my little speaker, and another good thing about this is, so obviously you get it in orange, okay? But you do get it in like green, red, there's a whole bunch of different colors. So I think that's what sets it apart, is like you can choose what color you want. And it's got the time display, which you don't usually get with, Bluetooth speakers. So that actually, after I couldn't find anything in YouTube, I read more about the functions, and obviously I saw the time display and I decided to get it. So no regrets, I'm really happy with it. I did get it at a discounted price. Like I said, anything between 300 to 500 Rand. So you can decide, do you want to spend that amount of money on this specific speaker? So hopefully that will help you. And then they say you can answer incoming calls from this unit. I mean, who would want to do that? Do you want the whole world to hear your conversation over a little Bluetooth speaker? And what else sets this apart? I think that's about it. I would say the color, first of all, the fact that you can choose different colors, and then the fact that it's got a little alarm display. So I'm going to show you my little speaker, but it's green, so I think it's going to interfere with my green screen at the back, but at least hopefully you guys will get a feel for it. So this is the size. Like I said, I think the green screen is definitely going to interfere with this. And right there's the clock. Obviously it's making funny things on the camera now. And at the top there you've got the different functions, which is awesome. And at the back you've got your on and off switch, and then obviously all the different ports, which is your aux cable, USB. You can insert your little SD card in there, and your charging port. So I hope this will help someone to make up their minds whether or not to get this one. I love it, I must say. I'm really impressed with it, but each to its own at the end of the day. I hope this is helpful to you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.